What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today I'm going to be changing my engine air filter and cabin filter on my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. All new Toyotas come with Toyota Care, which is 2 years, 24,000 miles. But Toyota Care only covers tire rotations, some inspections, some topping out fluids, and maybe a couple oil changes. Toyota Care does not cover the engine air filter or the cabin filter. So today I'm going to be changing both with OEM parts I picked up online. I'll put a link in the description. OEM engine air filter and OEM cabin filter. Here's what the Toyota warranty and maintenance guide says. At 10,000 miles or 12 months, you want to inspect the cabin filter, but you want to replace it if you're driving on dirt roads. At 15,000 miles or 18 months, you want to inspect the engine air filter, but you also may want to replace it if you're driving on dusty roads. So I take my truck off-roading for a couple years now. Took it to Joshua Tree, Hollister, Tahoe, a bunch of different places. And when I inspected my engine air filter, it was super dirty. You can see all the dirt and everything here. I actually just lightly tapped it out. Here's a picture of my cabin filter when I inspected it. And my truck has a little over 12,000 miles, but I took it off-roading a lot. So now it's time to replace it with brand new OEM filters. At first we're going to do the engine air filter. Again, super simple install, no tools needed. Here's the engine air filter. Pop that back. On this side, pop this one back. Pull this little thing up. Pull this one up. And basically this part comes up. And you pull the air filter out. The new one right here. Install it in reverse fashion. And the factory airbox has another filter that's at the top of the airbox lid. If you have like a leaf blower or something, you could probably blow that out a little bit. Make sure it's all lined up. Put down the air filter lid. Put the clamps back on. That's it. Now let's move into the cabin. Open the glove box. And you see the cabin filter covers right there. All you have to do is slide up and remove. Goes up like that. And that's where your cabin air filter is. And there's a little tab right there. Move that way. That way. This cover comes off. And here is the cabin air filter. And mine's not as dirty because I cleaned it, but now it's time to replace it. If you look at the new filter, it says this side up, insert in this direction. Slide in the new cabin filter. Pop this back on. Slide this cover back on. That's it. Alright guys, everything done. Super simple install, less than 5 minutes. I think it's a good idea to replace your engine air filter and cabin filter every 12,000 miles, especially if you go off-roading a lot. But at the very least, maybe inspect it and clean it after you off-road. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.